Hello everyone, in this video we would be talking about adjectives and adverbs. So firstly let us know what an adjective is. An adjective is a word or a set of words that modifies or describes or gives more meaning to a noun or a pronoun. So firstly there are two types of adjectives, attributive adjective and predicative adjective. So if an adjective comes before a noun, it is called an attributive adjective. For example, that is a cute puppy. Puppy is the noun here and the puppy is cute. So cute describes the noun puppy. So cute is the adjective. He had a beautiful house once. Here house is the noun and beautiful is the adjective. So it describes the house. Beautiful describes the house. And then we have the predicative adjective. If the adjective comes after the noun, we call it as a predicative adjective. That puppy looks cute. So here more information about puppy is given. So cute becomes the adjective. Now let us talk about adverbs. Adverb is a word or a group of words that modifies verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. So adverbs answer the questions how, when, where, why or to what extent, how often, how much, etc. So firstly, there are three types of adverbs: adverb of time, adverb of place and adverb of manner. So adverb of time denotes when did the event happen. So we pose the question when. And for adverb of place, we can pose the question where. And adverb of manner, we can use the word how did it happen. For example, she arrived today. When did she arrive? Today. So today is the adverb. It is also called the adverb of time. Let's go outside. Where should we go? Outside. So we have to pose the question where. So outside is the adverb here. And it is an adverb of place. He speaks slowly. How does he speak? He speaks slowly. So we have posed the question how. So slowly is the adverb. And this adverb is called the adverb of manner. And then we have some rules related to adverbs. She thinks quick or quickly. See, she thinks is the verb. So when there is a verb, we have to add ly there. She thinks quickly. But if we say she thinks quick, it is wrong. And she is a quick thinker. Thinker is a noun. So what kind of thinker she is? A quick thinker. So quick is the adjective. So we can't say she is a quickly thinker. Right? She thinks fastly. Actually, according to the first example, we can add ly. But here in English language, there is no word called fastly. So we have to avoid using the term fastly. We just have to say fast. She thinks fast. So this serves as an exception for the first example. Here now we have some more examples. You did a good job. When we say this, job is the noun, good is the adjective. You did the job well. Here if we write well after the noun, then it becomes an adverb. What kind of job did you do? Good job. So it comes before the noun, so it is an adjective. You did the job well. How did you do the job? So it poses the question how. So well is the adverb over here. Now we have degrees of comparison, that is the adjectives. We have 3 degrees as everyone knows: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So here if the word which is used in the positive degree is good, in the comparative degree it becomes better, and then superlative best, good, better, best, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, bad, worse, worst, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now let us look at positive degree. Kashmir is a beautiful place in India. So it is a beautiful place. Beautiful is the adjective over here. And comparative degree, it is between two people or two things, right? Comparative degree always exists between two people. So Kashmir is more beautiful than any other place in India. So whenever we get the adjective, we have to we have to find out the three forms: positive form, comparative and superlative. More beautiful, but we can't say beautifuler and beautifulest, right? So there we have to use more. Kashmir is more beautiful than any other place in India. Then if the third one is superlative degree. If there are more than two people or things, we use the superlative degree. Kashmir is the most beautiful place in India. So it also gives the same meaning that no other place in India is as beautiful as Kashmir, which is also the positive degree. Right? So Kashmir is the most beautiful place, most beautiful. In superlative degree, we have the definite article the. Right? So no other place is as beautiful as Kashmir is also an example for positive degree. And Kashmir is the most beautiful place in India is the example for superlative degree. So here there is something to really focus on. Whenever we have ER and EST in a particular adjective, we will not say more sweeter, most sweetest. Sweeter, ER already suggests that there is some comparison. It is sweeter than this. But we should not say more sweeter, most sweetest. The moment we have EST, we will not say the most sweetest. More higher, most highest, more smarter, most smartest, all these are wrong. Just we have to remember that if we have ER to an adjective, we should not use more, or when there is EST to an adjective, we should not use most. So this is all about adjectives and adverbs.